The salaries of A, B and C are in the ratio of 1:2:5, and if the salaries are increased by 20%, 10% and 20%, find out the increased salaries ratio. So the respective ratio between A, B and C is given as 1:2:5. What does this mean? For every 1 rupee which A gets, B will be getting 2 rupee and C will be getting 5 rupees, right? So in order to find out the original salaries, what will we do? Normally we'll use a common multiplication factor A, and then we'll multiply all these three parts with this common factor, right? Now instead of using this method, we can use a direct shortcut by assuming a random value as this multiplication factor. We can assume it as 10, 100 or 1000 or anything as we wish. So I'm just going to use 100 as the common multiplication factor. So if we multiply 100 with all these three parts of the ratios, what's going to happen? The salary of A would become 100, the salary of B would become 200, the salary of C should become 500. I'm just multiplying 1 with 100, 2 with 100 and 5 with 100. Now what is happening? The salary of A is increased by 20%, the salary of B is increased by 10%, the salary of C is also increased by 20%. So what is going to be the new salary? What is 20% of 100? That's going to be 20, right? So 100 plus 20, the new salary of A will be 120. What is 10% of 200? That is 20. So the new salary of B would be 200 plus 20, which is equivalent to 220. What about C? Increased by 20%. So what is 20% of 500? That will be 100. So 500 plus 100, that is equivalent to 600. So the new salaries of A, B and C are 120, 220 and 600. So now let's find out the ratio. So the ratio between the new salaries of A, B and C is 120 is to 220 is to 600. Now we can simplify. The zeros can be cut off. We can reduce all the three terms by 2. So this should become 6, this should become 11 and this should become 30. The new ratio between the salaries of A, B and C after their increase in salary is 6:11:30, right? And also we have understood that we can use any number as a common multiplication factor, right? And also in order to solve these kinds of questions, we should be very clear about the basic concepts of percentage.